Hey guys, Maria Andersen here, and today I will show you how to sign up and install ProtonVPN. Let's go! So the first thing you have to do, guys, is to go check out the description to this video, and there you will find a link to ProtonVPN. Just click on that link and it will bring you to this website. And right from here you will download your extension, no matter what you use, Windows, iOS, anything. Here you can click Get ProtonVPN Now, or you can also click Sign Up button, and I will click Sign Up. And now you can see that ProtonVPN has different plans: free, basic, plus and visionary. And I think free is quite good for newbies. As you can see, it's €0 per month. That's because I live in Europe now. But let's switch it to dollars. Just click here, choose dollars, and that's it. So you will have 23 servers in 3 countries, 1 VPN connection, medium speed, strict no-logs policy, and access blocked content. All this for $0. By the way, guys, you can upgrade your plan anytime you want. As you can see, the best offer here is $8 per month. And you can also save up to 33% with 2-year plan. Here you can choose annually and save 20%, or you can choose 2-year plan and save 33%. That's great, isn't it? But anyway, now we will choose free plan and just click here, Get Free. And here you will have to create an account. It's super easy, just use any username you want, password, confirm password, and also you can use any email you want. You can use Gmail, Outlook, anything. But as I'm personally using ProtonMail, and if you didn't know, they have an email service too. So it says if you are a ProtonMail user, you can use your Proton account to log in to ProtonVPN. And guys, I really recommend you to check out this video that I made about ProtonMail. And now I will just switch to previous page and log in. And here I will have to put just my ProtonMail address and my password and log in. By the way, on this page of ProtonVPN, you can also see my ProtonMail free account and my ProtonVPN that I'm not using yet, but I will download it right now. Just click Downloads and then choose any operating system that you are using and click Download. I'm using my Mac, that's why I'm choosing this. And don't worry, guys, it's quite easy, just do all the steps needed and that's it. By the way, guys, a little below here you can learn a lot of information about this VPN. For example, Secure Core protects your connection by routing your traffic through multiple servers before it leaves our network, defending you against advanced network-based attacks. Secure servers are located in hardened data centers in Switzerland, Ireland, and Sweden, protected by strong privacy laws and operated on Proton's dedicated networks. Also here you can check out why use exactly ProtonVPN, and now actually let's see how it works. I saved it on my desktop, so I will just click on it, and here we are. Now you have to put your username and your password that you registered with. And welcome on board. So let's take a quick tour. Okay, automatically connect to this server that will provide you with the fastest connection. And guys, with the free version we have Japan, Netherlands and United States here. You are not connected now. And next tip now, save your preferred settings and servers for future use. Okay, next, choose which country and server you would like to use for your and IP address. And next tip, increase your security with one click. It's here, number 4. Add an extra layer of security with Secure Core. Surf the web freely from malware and ads with NetShield. Prevent your IP to be exposed by turning on Kill Switch. That's how I'll connect to United States now, and it needs some time usually. And here we are, successfully connected. Congratulations! Then you can disconnect right here, and here is my IP now. And guys, also let's see how many countries do we have in paid plans. So we have Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, Bulgaria, Canada, and a lot of different countries, guys. I think anything you like. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye.